There are a lot of AI assistants available today, and it seems like a new one launches every week. So today I want to test something that is trying to combine all of those features into a single platform, and that is Kimi AI. Instead of just chatting with it for a few minutes, I want to see what it can actually do. We'll test some of its biggest features and see how easy it is to use and find out if it's worth adding to your AI toolkit. The first thing you'll notice is how clean the interface is. In the center, you have the chat window, but over on the left, there is a lot more than just a chatbot. I can already see tools for deep research, slides, websites, docs, sheet, Kimi Code, and even something called Swarm. That immediately tells me that this is not trying to compete as just another ChatGPT alternative. It's aiming to be an entire AI workspace. So let's start with something simple. I'm going to ask Kimi to write a YouTube video idea for an AI tools channel. Within a few seconds, it will generate a complete outline with the title, talking points, and even suggestions for improving engagement. That is a good start, but honestly, most modern AI models can do that. So let's move on to something a little more interesting. Now I want to test deep research because this is one of Kimi's flagship features. Instead of asking a simple question, we can give it a complicated task, like researching the best open source AI models for developers in 2026. Rather than giving us a short paragraph, Kimi will begin gathering information and organizing everything into a structured report. It will break the topic into sections, compare different models, and presents the information in a way that's actually easy to read. If you are someone who spends hours researching topics before writing articles, creating videos, or building projects, this feature alone could save you a lot of time. Now let's go and test something developers will probably appreciate. I'll open Kimi Code and ask it to build a simple landing page using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Within seconds, it starts generating clean code, explaining each section as it goes, and if I want to modify the design or add another feature, I can simply continue the conversation instead of rewriting everything from scratch. One feature I was especially curious is Swarm. Behind Swarm is that inside of relying on a single AI assistant, Kimi can coordinate multiple AI agents that work together on larger tasks. Think of it as assigning different specializations to different parts of the same project. One agent researches, another writes, another organizes information, and another reviews the final results. It's an interesting approach, especially for more complicated workflows. After testing several of these tools, what stands out the most is how everything feels connected. Instead of opening one AI for coding, another for research, another for presentation, another for website, everything is available inside the same interface. That makes switching between tasks much faster and keeps your workflow much more organized. Of course, no AI platform is perfect, and the best choice really depends on what you're trying to accomplish. If you only need a chatbot to answer occasional questions, you probably won't use every feature Kimi offers. But if you are someone who researches information, writes documents, builds websites, creates presentations, or develops software on a regular basis, having all of those tools in one place is definitely a major advantage. So overall, I came away impressed. Kimi is not just trying to be another AI chatbot, it's positioning itself as a complete productivity platform, and after testing its research, document generation, presentations, websites, builders, coding assistants, and AI agents, I can definitely see the appeal. So that'll be all for today's video. Thank you for watching AI Community, and I'll see you in the next one.